Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Grow with Vivek. My name is Vivek and today we are going to learn about SDLC. So we will try with one simple example. Okay, you open a restaurant without any planning blindly. Then what will happen? It will go shut down in some days. Similarly, in a software industry, if you launch any application without planning or following the process, then what will happen? It will go shut down. Okay, the day so, uh, to not this happen, we have a process. We called it as a SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. So there are 6 phases of SDLC: information gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance. So we will go one by one. So first one is the information gathering. So, yeah, to open a hotel, what we need? We need a location. After that, we need kitchen setup, staff. We have to decide what is our budget. Then, what is the food, veg, non-veg. So we will gather all the information. In a similar way, in the software industry, if you have to open or launch any application, so we have to gather the information. So here two people are responsible. One is BA and another one is a customer. So BA is nothing but a business analyst. So it is responsibility of the BA to take information from the customer. So BA what will do, like he will take all the requirements from the customer and create one document. We call it as a BRS, business resource specification document. So in that document he will decide like what type of application customer wants, what the application intend to do. Suppose it is a payment application, so payment should go means what should be the interface. So he will get the like a rough idea, like the rough requirement. Okay, like we have done for the restaurant. Now the next phase is the analysis phase. So in the analysis phase, whatever like for the restaurant, we will take same example. Like we have hired staff, but we do not specify it. Like we require two chefs, one cleaner, one watchman, one waiter. So we are detailing out all the details. If parking area, then four-wheeler parking area, two-wheeler parking area. So here we are putting it in a descriptive way. In a similar way, in a software industry, what BA will do, he will discuss it with the customer and he will break down the major requirement into the minute details. So he converts the BRS document. BRS is nothing but business requirement specification document into SRS document. SRS stands for system requirement specification document. So in this document the details are in a descriptive way. If it is a login page, then what field should be there? Username field, password field, login button, where should be the logo. So he will get the like a rough means all things are explained in the detail. Okay, so that is nothing but the analysis phase. Okay, now we will move on to the next phase. So next phase is the design phase. So in the design phase, like for the restaurant, what will we do? We have to design like where should be the exactly parking area, where should be the exactly kitchen setup, where should be the sitting area, where we are putting all our groceries and all those things that we will decide. In a similar way, in the design phase, design architect is involved and they are preparing HLD, high level design and low level design. And so in that they are deciding the architecture of the application. Like if you means there is a home page, after that there will be the login page, then after that your name should appear here. So all those things are decided there. So designer will take BRS and SRS and he will create the means high level design and low level design. Okay, so till design we have done. Now the next page is the coding phase. We call it as execution phase. Okay, so for restaurant we have done all the things. Now we are preparing the food. Okay, we are here, actual process begin. Cleaner cleans the floor, then chef prepare the food. So all everyone know what he has to do. In a similar way, coder or like a developer, we can say, he will develop the code. Like all developers are involved here, front end, back end, and like middle end, API layer developers. So all those involved and they will make the application. Okay, so all that done. Okay, so the execution phase is done. Now the next phase is testing phase. Okay, so we have prepared the food, like, and how, what will we do? We do not direct it, serve it to the customer. First we will test. We will invite our relatives, our friends, or we are testing it by ourselves, and after that we are serving it to the customer. In the same way, in a software industry, without launching, before launching the application, what will you do? The tester will test the performance, the user interface is friendly or not, or what the application intent is there, the application working as expected or not. So all those things he will check, and after that he will give the thumbs up. So after that it will go into the deployment phase, and uh, now we are come to the last phase. So last phase is nothing but the maintenance phase. Okay, after, okay, we will follow the same example. We have we have done the requirement, like we have set up for the hotel, the crowd is coming, so all things is going well. Okay, but there are some complaints about the customer, or you have to means introduce a new dish. So at that time we are upgrading our menu, we are notifying our customer that we have means prepare the new dish, please try it out. In a similar way, in the maintenance phase, in the software industry, what is happening, like the customers are complaining about the software, or customer wants to client wants to make some update. So at that time, means we are following the same cycle: information gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance. So infinite loop is going on and on, okay, for the enhancement or the requirement. Okay, so that is the structured way we are following. If we do not follow the structured way, then what will happen? The means it will means it will get the misunderstanding. So all those things are done, and the application may not develop as expected. So here all developers, tester, and BA designer, so all they are communicate and make the application better. So that is nothing but a software development life cycle, following the structured and planned way to develop a software.